everyone, I am Sanghamitra Ji Mukherjee. I am an astrologer. I have started this YouTube channel so that I can spread the knowledge of astrology to the masses. And if you need my consultation, you can reach to me at my Facebook page or my Instagram account, Hriday Astral Reflection. The link is given in the description section below. Now let's start with our astrological classes. The ancient science of Vedic astrology was started by our rishis and munis thousands of years back, and they were highly knowledgeable and they used their expertise to find out formulas and calculations by which one is able to predict the life and the future outcomes of an individual based on birth time, birthplace, and date of birth. Our ancient science of Vedic astrology is mainly divided into three sections, which are Ganit Skanda, Siddhant Skanda, and Hora Skanda. What is Ganit Skanda? Ganit Skanda is that section of astrology which is based on astronomical calculations. Mainly it includes calculation about the movement of stars, the galaxy, the planets, etc. It's more of astronomy. Then we come to Siddhant Skanda. What is Siddhant Skanda? Siddhant Skanda is more about mundane astrology. By Siddhant Skanda, one is able to predict the timing of the earthquakes, floods, wars, etc. And now we come to Hora Skanda. Hora Skanda is the main section of Vedic astrology, by which we are able to predict the life path, the life pattern of the individual based on his birth chart, based on his horoscope. Now we come to Hora Skanda astrology. Hora Skanda, the whole Hora Skanda can be divided into 7 sections of astrology, which are Parashara, Jamini, Tajika, Bhrigu, Muhurta, Prashna, and KP astrology. Parashara astrology. In my videos, I'll be discussing mainly Parashara astrology. I practice Parashara astrology. This astrology was developed by a very famous ancient Muni of India called Parashara. He was very knowledgeable and talented, and his calculations were very accurate in predicting the life events and life path of an individual. His astrology is based on horoscopes, and we generate horoscope based on the birth time, the birth date, and the place of birth of the individual. Then we have Jamini astrology, which was developed by sage Jamini. And Jamini astrology runs parallel to Parashara astrology. Although Parashara astrology is the most famous form of astrology practiced all over India by astrologers, many people think that they can merge Jamini astrology and Parashara astrology together to get accurate results, but I don't believe in it. I practice Parashara astrology because I get very accurate results while calculating the life events of my clients. Then we have Tajika astrology. What is Tajik astrology? It is a merge of Vedic astrology and Arabic astrology. Here, astrology is based on calculations of both Indian Vedic system and Arabic system to predict the life events of an individual. Then we have Bhrigu astrology, which was developed by sage Bhrigu. He was also an ancient Muni of India, and he was so knowledgeable and accurate in predicting the life events of an individual who was not even born. The writings and the events were written on leaves, and they were passed on to the family members, the parents of the unborn individual. And after the individual is born and he grows up, his parents hand over, or the elders hand over those leaves which has the written life events about him over to that individual. So this is called Bhrigu Nari Jyotish or Bhrigu astrology. Then we have Muhurta astrology. Muhurta means the timings of auspicious events in our home, in the society. By Muhurta astrology, one can predict the right timing or the auspicious timing for an event like marriage or Graha Pravesh, any auspicious timing we can calculate, and we can tell it to the client so that he can perform the ritual exactly on that time to yield better result. Then we have Prashna astrology. I'm also going to discuss Prashna astrology in my videos. What is Prashna astrology? Prashna means question. Many times I get clients who tell me that they don't have their accurate birth timing, or they don't even remember their birth date. It happens. So in that case, how do we develop the horoscope for that client? This is where Prashna comes into play. We take the exact timing the client approaches us, and based on the timing, the date and the place, we develop the horoscope, and then we calculate the life events and predictions for that individual. So Prashna astrology comes into play. It is very important in this area of events, and it actually, Prashna astrology gives very accurate result. I found it. And lastly, we have KP astrology, Krishnamurti Paddhati astrology. This was developed by one of our recent very famous astrologer of Tamil Nadu, late Sri Krishnamurti. He developed a separate type of astrology in which the more emphasis were given to nakshatras and nakshatra lords rather than giving to planets and their aspects. So it is a separate system of astrology, and it is based on nakshatra. But in my videos, I'll be mainly discussing Parashar astrology and Prashna astrology. And if you like my videos, please hit the like button, and you can also follow me on my Facebook page and Instagram account. The links are given below in the description section, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get my new videos, the notifications whenever I upload any new video. I hope you liked my this small video of astrology. It's mainly an introduction, and hope to meet you soon. Thank you very much.